Hi, fellow investors and learners. Hope you're all having a good day. Welcome to my Open Mind YouTube channel. Today, we are going to do a detailed review of an Indian small cap stock, which is synonymous with legendary investor Peter Lynch saying it's seemingly a boring company with strong fundamentals but often referred to as slow growers in the market. It might not be able to grab headlines but can generate serious and reliable returns for value investors. Hello, team. Please read through the disclaimer. The company I'm going to discuss today is the largest agricultural seed producing company in India, which is called Kaveri Seed Company Limited. What is the competitive advantage of this company? Is there a moat to this business? Let's check out. The company has more than 15 main and satellite research farms, covering more than 600 acres of land with the state-of-the-art infrastructure facilities for conducting research trials. The company have over 150 research scientists working in their R&D department, and they have 100 plus certified hybrid seed varieties in India. They are the second largest producer of hybrid cotton seed in India. They also rank top 5 in other crops category. In terms of revenue distribution, cotton contributes them 45% of their revenue, maize contribute 21, hybrid rice 13, and selection rice 10, and vegetables 4. They currently have a 15,000 metric ton cold storage facility. The company also have 7 large modern processing plants across key locations in India. They have a combined storage facility of over 10 lakh square feet. They also have over 65,000 acres under seed production and have over 1 lakh plus loyal customer base. The company operates in domestic market as well as in export market. The company's subsidiary includes Kaveri Microtech Private Limited, Aditya Agritech Private Limited, Genome Agritech Private Limited, and Genomics Agri Genetics Private Limited. They derive 95% of their income from hybrid seed sales and remaining from micronutrient sales, which is also steadily growing. Now let's move into key financial metrics. The company have a market cap of 3,105 crore rupees as of March 2023. Their price to earnings ratio is at 10.3, very low PE ratio compared to their growth. Return on capital employed is at 21.6. For every 100 rupees invested, the business earns 21 rupees and 60 paise back. Debt to equity ratio is 0, which is a very good sign for a company. As legendary investor Peter Lynch put it, no company will ever go bankrupt if their debt is 0. The profit growth is at 19.6% year on year. So that means every year they're having a growth rate of around 20%. The book value of the company is at 244, and currently the company is trading at around 550 rupees. As of March 2023, their revenue is at 1070 crore with a net profit of 271 crore, and the earnings per share is at 47 rupees and 89 paise. And also guys, please note, this is an agriculture related company and their tax rate is really low. The company also reports healthy cash flows. Now let's look at their industry peers. Kaveri Seed with a market cap of 3,095 crore is second only to Bombay Burma in Indian Stock Exchange. And Bayer Crop Science is one of their competitor in the industry. But Kaveri Seed has an advantage of being an indigenous company and have a good understanding of the Indian soil conditions and have developed seeds for over 45 years. If you look at the list of industry peers, you can see how well positioned Kaveri Seed is. And they also heavily investing in R&D research and providing a tough competition not only to local players but also international players. Next, let's look at the shareholding pattern. The promoters currently hold 59.9% of the company. They have been consistently increasing their shareholding over the last 7 years. It shows their trust in the company's future prospect. I consider this as a good sign when reviewing companies. Currently, FIIs hold 16.29%, the DAIs hold 6.76%, and the public holds the remaining 15.58%. Now let's check some forecasts available in the market. If you look at the share price forecast, set to improve over the next couple of years. And also if you look at the analyst forecast, there were 4 analysts which are currently covering the share and all 4 have buy rating on it. And also in terms of earnings forecast, It's set to improve over the years, and it's been a trend for over a long time. And also, if you look at the EPS, it's also subject to increase, and the PE ratio more or less remains consistent. Let's be honest about one thing. When you want to invest in stocks, the first thing that comes on your mind is not agriculture sector, particularly not a seed producing company. Almost everyone want to invest in some fancy sector or names, so I could say there is an ingrained bias towards this company and sector. Secondly, agriculture sector is subject to weather, that in turn it's cyclical in nature. We are currently in El Nino weather pattern, and so far we are seeing uneven rainfall in southern peninsula of India, but seeing extreme rainfall in northern part of our country. We are already seeing this impact in agri-related stocks. Food being in essentials, this downturn will eventually change. What is the final verdict or takeaway from the analysis? This is a stock with good financial performance, growth in net profit, increasing profit margin quarter to quarter, company with a zero debt, promoter is increasing his stake, delivering good results year on year. It's also an indigenous seed company, have strong market presence, focusing on R&D, delivering consistent growth, and a business synonymous with Indian agriculture sector. I consider their strongest moat is the loyal customer base. If you are in agriculture, you will understand that it's not easy to gain farmers' acceptance in the country, and they are growing with number of farmers coming on board for over 45 years. Never invest in a business you cannot understand, with people you cannot trust. That's burden with debt you cannot shoulder. This company has the right ingredients, deliver consistent returns. Currently there is some slight price correction due to the El Nino factor, but if you want to have a play in the Indian agriculture sector, especially something very important and essential, which is seeds, I strongly urge you to consider this stock for a long-term investment. Thank you all for your valuable time. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for valuable insights into stocks and investment principles. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.